Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, if you've recently purchased a new mobile phone or are thinking about upgrading or switching your current device, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, I've got something incredibly useful to share with you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful software solution called Wondershare Doctor Phone. This tool is designed to help you manage and transfer your phone data seamlessly, along with many other features that I'll walk you through in this video. You can find the download link for Wondershare Doctor Phone right in the description box below this video. Once installed, you'll see an interface like this. On the home screen, you can see three main features. One of them is Screen Unlock, which allows you to easily unlock your iPhone or Android phone screen, bypassing the password or any other lock. The second feature is Virtual Locations, which allows you to easily change the location of your Android phone or iPhone. The next feature is WhatsApp Transfer, which lets you easily transfer all your WhatsApp data from one phone to another. The next feature is Data Recovery, which provides a seamless way to retrieve lost or deleted data from your device. The next feature is Phone Transfer, which allows you to easily move data between devices. The next feature is System Repair, which helps you fix various issues on your device quickly and effectively. The next feature is the Password Manager, which securely stores and manages all your passwords in one convenient location. The next feature is the Data Eraser, which ensures that all sensitive information on your device is permanently deleted. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. So, let's move on to our video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your WhatsApp data from one phone to another easily. You can transfer, backup, and restore your WhatsApp data from one phone to another effortlessly. In addition to WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, you can also backup and restore your Line, Viber, and Kik data. To transfer WhatsApp messages, click on the icon for transferring messages. You need to keep the source phone, the one from which you want to transfer data, connected, while the destination phone, the one where you want to transfer the data, should also be ready. This setup ensures a smooth and efficient transfer process between the two devices. After that, follow the steps displayed on the screen to enable developer mode on your Android phone. Simply go to your device's settings, find About Phone, and tap on the build number multiple times until you see a message indicating that developer mode is activated. This step is crucial for ensuring a successful data transfer. After that, click on the transfer icon. You will receive a warning that if there is any existing WhatsApp data on the destination phone, it will be permanently deleted. If you want to keep that data, make sure to back it up from the destination phone before proceeding. As you can see, the process has started, and it's important to keep both phones unlocked during this time. This ensures that the data transfer continues smoothly without any interruptions, allowing you to successfully migrate your WhatsApp data from one device to the other. Enjoying the content? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to me. This process may take a little time, depending on the amount of data you have in your WhatsApp account. If you have a lot of messages, photos, and files, it might take longer than if you have only a few. Be patient as the transfer completes, and make sure both phones remain unlocked throughout the process. On the screen, you'll see some instructions. Follow these instructions to install WhatsApp on the target phone, then click on Next. Next, you need to take a backup of WhatsApp on the source phone, following the instructions provided on the screen. You will need to reinstall WhatsApp on your destination phone. After that, follow the additional instructions displayed on the screen. Specifically, you will be required to rename the WhatsApp file directory on your Android phone. This step is important for ensuring that the data transfer process recognizes the backup correctly, allowing you to restore your messages and media without any issues. After renaming the directory, click on the Next icon. Then, log in to WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now you can see that the WhatsApp data transfer has been completed successfully. I'll open WhatsApp to show you that all your messages and media have been restored. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. This confirms that the transfer process worked perfectly, and you can continue using WhatsApp on your new device without any issues. So, transferring your WhatsApp data from one phone to another doesn't have to be a complicated process. With the right tools and steps, you can easily backup, transfer, and restore all your important messages and media in just a few clicks. Whether you're upgrading to a new device or switching brands, following these instructions ensures that you won't lose any valuable information. You can find the download link for this wonderful software, Dr.Phone, in the video description below. Make sure to check it out and start transferring your data effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or experiences to share. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.